Okay guys, what's up Soul Squad? Hey, and welcome to all my new subscribers here on SoulfulT. This is my kitchen. This is where magic happens. This is where the magic happens. You see that sign? Strawberry cream cake. And no, it's not homemade. Just because you guys know, I could do a box or I could do homemade. But with the holidays and the shopping and the food and the videos of getting you guys the flour out, and you know, you want to get stuff done quick but tastes good and it's easy, so I decided to go with my favorite. Look, my favorite strawberry box cake mix, which is Duncan Hines. It's simple, it's quick. I'm using a 9x13 pan. So I'm using 2 boxes of that cake mix to go in here. And I like this because if you want to take this cake to somebody's house for a dessert, you can actually let it cool off in here, frost it in here, and with this cake, put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and then boom, you got a lid. Transport it in here. You ain't got to leave your best dish at nobody's house. You ain't got to worry about washing out anything. You're going to bake it, frost it, refrigerate it, lid it, and take it out the door to somebody's house for dessert for Christmas. Okay, let's get started. Oh, and welcome to my new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying what's on. Oh, in my shirt. Okay, so many things going on right now. Okay, welcome to my new subscribers. I hope you guys are enjoying everything that you're seeing here on my channel. Go take a look through all those old videos. Come in for the new videos. Hit that bell to be notified. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. What can you lose by hitting the bell? It's just going to let you know I just put a video up and it's a must see. You got to see it. Ain't nothing like self-promotion. On that being said, thank you for the flower. Thanks for ordering my flowers. Come and get this t-shirt. My kitchen my way, your kitchen your way, on Teespring. The link is below. Come check me out on Wizzo. The banner is there. No, I'm not pronouncing it right, but you get it, okay? Come check it out over there, guys. If you want some quick recipe tips, or if you just want to talk, or you want to know what's going on YouTube and how you can be part of it, what type of advice I can give you, come on over there to that new platform and check me out. I will be happy to answer you. It's a one-on-one, me and you, just like we're talking, video chatting. You give me a question, I videotape you, answer back. It's that easy, that quick, that simple. Okay, let's make a box cake, and it's going to taste amazing. Again, your favorite strawberry cake mix. I already have 6 eggs in here because you're just going to follow the instructions that's on the cake mix, guys. It is quick, it is simple as that. 6 eggs in here. It's double because it's 2 boxes. I have some vegetable oil in here. It's double. And the only thing that I'm going to differ is that I'm going to use milk. It makes the cake fluffy. I always use milk with my box cake mix. If you don't want to do that, guys, to do exactly what the instructions says, you can use water. I'm going it with milk. And yes, I'm not measuring just because I've been eyeballing things for so long. I am so used to it. But if it was a homemade cake mix, of course I'll measure it out for you guys. But it's box, follow instructions, you got this. I'm just whipping this up, guys. And she had all the strawberry bits in there, and it smells so good. And using the whip, it makes it light and airy too. And it's going to make it nice and fluffy. You don't have to use the whip. You use your standard mixing utensils that come with your mixer. Look at that. Quick and easy. That's just how simple it is. I'm gonna wash off my spatula, get rid of this, pull it down because we're gonna grease this. Typical SoulfulT fashion. Forgot to preheat the oven to 350. I'm gonna boo that now. I'm gonna boo that now. Woo! I'm gonna boo that now. I'm gonna do that now while we take a break. So I'm going to wash this out, move things to the side so we can spray the pan and get the cake in the oven. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. Now, you can grease your pan the way you want to grease it, you know, with some oil and flour, some margarine and flour, some butter and flour. I love the easy way. Just spray. You can get something cheap, and this is bacon spray. It's not butter. You know, don't get it twisted. When my money is funny, and I don't want to buy this stuff, I would do what I already have in my house. But since it's available right now in the house, I'm going to use it. But if I didn't have it, I'm just going to use some flour and butter, guys. And this is, again, 13 by 9. 2 boxes of cake mix up in this baby. You hear me? It's a box cake, but it's your cake. I grew up, how many of us grew up with our parents making box cake? You didn't care. It's about it being sweet and good. You don't care how you make it. I don't care how I make it today, because it's going to be good, because we're doing some extra stuff to get it to a different level. Strawberry cream cake. We'll be back. Let's go in the oven on 350. Okay, guys, my cake came out. Now, this is a strawberry compote that I made. I'm going to link a video on how to make this, because this is important for the cake. This is what's going to make your cake so amazing, along with this cream cheese frosting. So silky and smooth. Then we're going to dab it up, whip it in with some whipped cream, Cool Whip. Your version of Cool Whip, I just love this version. I know I'm a cheapskate, but when it comes to my Cool Whip, I don't go cheap. I gotta get this right here. So I had 2.5 cups of cavetted sugar, powdered sugar, 1 block of 8 ounces of room temperature soft and cream cheese, and we're just gonna blend this up together. And I think just for the fun of it, because I need to, I probably should too, I'm gonna put some vanilla in this. As soon as I find it, we don't go nowhere. But we ain't gotta go nowhere because it's right here. Here you go, right here. My pure vanilla. A teaspoon of that vanilla. Ooh, that smells good. Like using that good stuff. And yes, it's flying everywhere. Sorry. And it's on 1. I can't find my things again. I don't know what's the problem in the house. Like, gosh, you got powdered sugar going everywhere. Because I'm using the whip. Oh, look at that. It's going everywhere. It's a messy video. Because I'm using this whip. We'll be right back when this whipped up, guys. Okay, guys, you see my whip got it done. Now, don't be like me. Put your stuff up. I literally just bought this cake mixer, and I cannot find my mixing utensils to go with it. I cannot find it. The blades, the mixing blades. This is so crazy. It's like I have a ghost. They may be baking cakes, because you know the reason why I bought this one is because I couldn't find the blades to the other one. Now I made the cake last week, which was so amazing, you guys. What kind of cake was it? The 5-flavor cake? You saw me use it, right? The blades are missing in action. It's freaking crazy. I refuse to buy another one because I can't find. Me, my mother, my son, we tore the cabinets up. Oh, Lord. But the show must go on. You see this? Nice and silky cream cheese. It came to a head. You see this? This is 8 ounces of Cool Whip. That's why it's a refrigerated cake. And that cake has to be cool. It has to be cool, because you don't want your cake to melt. And all of it. Not half, not a little, but the whole 8 ounces. And if you're making a big cake, just double everything. A long sheet pan, just double everything. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy. It's boxed. And it's something that you could just, you know, take to people's house. And you're just going to fold in this whipped cream to this cream cheese. Boston. I said Boston. Boston. Let me see something. That's good. So sour. And you're going to fold this in there. Make sure you get it all. And it makes it like a whip frosting, guys. You just fold it in. And look at the texture of this. Cream, it's like a cream cheese, whipped cream. And that's what you want to call it. This will go in the refrigerator. Best served nice and chilled. Look at that. It's nice and elastic. The way I want to. Look at that. Can I taste it? I just gotta taste this. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. That is good. We're gonna set this to the side. We're gonna get our cake. Remember, this is a curry cake. And you see my edges are crunchy. And that's just because, guess what? It rolls to the top just a little bit. Oh, like a little crunchy in life. Take a wooden spoon. Even if you may have. And guys, these big holes. Pluck holes. A straw. And if you don't want yours all the way to the top like this, look at that. Bam. This is when you're going to take your compost, right? That you made. And you're just going to pour it. Oh my goodness. All over this cake. All over the edges. It's going to juices. It's going to go down in here. Look at that. You cannot go wrong with this, people. The cake is, I would say it's like a strawberry shortcake, but it's a strawberry cream cake because you're using a cream cheese frosting. That's all it is. That's all I'm telling you. Look at that. And whatever juices that's putting in here, and if you get see how this sunk in a little bit, it's okay. People can't see that. We make mistakes, and you. This tastes good. Now, this is still a little too warm for me. It is. You don't want everything to melt. So you can stick this in the refrigerator at this point. Let this cool down with the cake. Then come back and top it with that whipped frosting. Look at that. That is for good by itself already. Remember, we're using this pan because it's a take-home carry-out feature. And if some people like hard crust at the edges, I love a crispy edge. So this will most definitely be my piece. I'm gonna let this cool down before we finish. Putting the compote on it kind of made the cake a little bit warm. Again, I don't want my frosting, so this one refrigerator and this one refrigerator. We're gonna come back and complete this. Oh guys, we're back. Everything is cool the way I want it. And I said this stuff tastes good. You must stop me too, people. I love cream cheese frosting. And you're gonna put it in. And you're gonna fold it in with some Cool Whip. Look at that. Oh my God. Remember, this is your kitchen, people. Do what you want to do. It's sticky. It's kind of marshmallowy. And don't mind that the red comes up or the red show. It's okay. Because your kitchen. And they get to see some of that red in there. I'm just spreading it. almost like a strawberry shortcake, but it's a strawberry cream cake, guys. You know, it's December. For me, December's all about desserts and cookies and family and friends and kids and sweets and chocolates. Yes. Thanksgiving is the food, but December is the dessert. Look at that. And you can spread it out. Look at this. And again, mine's a little stiff because I had it in the refrigerator. 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 But this is amazing. You don't have to use as much, but I'm using it because I love it. I need a little bit in the middle. Anybody want a piece of my strawberry cream cake? Remember, the link is going to be below. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. Looks so amazing. I'm ready to cut. This is refrigerator cake. Place in the refrigerator. So excited. Look at it go down in there. Woo. I told you. We cutting it. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. So good. We need a spatula. So good. The ugly spatula. He gets me. Remember, this is the edge. Oh. I can't get it out with this. Here's the edge. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that cake. It's so moist. Look at that, people. This cake is delicious, guys. Like, share, subscribe. That's a piece for me. So I like edges. But if you like the center, look how it comes out. Like, share, subscribe. Strawberry cream cake in your house.